Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you are not, welcome back. I was asked to do a video on how I prep my tumblers. So first remove the lid and everything, and if it comes with this little like piece on the bottom, I like to peel that off. I don't keep that on. Now you take a low grit sandpaper and you want to sand it. Hey, baby. How's it going? Hey, Selena, stop being so loud. I'm doing the video. No? So you want to sand it really well. You should be able to smell the metal, and when you rub your finger, you should get this coating. Now you want it like that because you want to get this coating off. This coating is what helps it from rusting, and it helps repel water. So we don't want it repelling what we put on our cups. Now, the reason why you need something like a spray paint or one of the Crystalac products is because they have anti-rust stuff in them, so whatever you use it on will not rust. It has a primer in it. You want to make sure you get it really well. So when you go to wash it off, the water should not be sheeting, or should not be having droplets where the water separates because of the stuff. So you can see like how it's getting all scratched up versus being smooth. Like, I'm really starting to smell that metal now. And don't forget the bottom. See, my hands are like covered in this stuff. So you can wear gloves if you don't want this residue all over your fingers. Oops, hit my camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, but lift my spongy in there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'll take you guys in with me. Let me grab my soap. Okay, so I got some soap. I'm just rubbing it on, and I use quite a bit of soap actually, more than I typically use. I'm just rubbing it on to get all this nastiness off. Not really. See how it just sheets off? That's what you want. You want it to just sheet right off. You don't want it like that, so I can go over that. Just want it to kind of sheet off of here. I'm washing the cup. Honestly, I probably won't just go over that part. I don't even know where that little part went, but as long as it's mostly good, then you're fine to go. So now I'm going to put it back on my stick. Now, normally, I usually use spray paint for the most part. Sometimes I don't, but normally I do. But I'm not going to because I already am using a lot of paint with this cup. So I don't want that extra gas off time. So I am going to be using Flippin Awesome Pure White to base coat. So I'm going to draw it on and then run my brush through it. And paint your tumbler. Now it does dry really fast to the touch, but it needs to dry for 4 hours before reapplying another layer. Get this top. The thing I like about using the Crystalac products to prep is the fact that I don't get any overspray inside of my tumbler. That's always nice. Where spray paint, you know, if you don't have something protecting the inside, you end up with quite a bit of overspray. And then you have to clean it out, and it's just one extra step you don't have to do, or there's less cleanup. Okay. Okay, baby. I think we are pretty good for the first layer. And then I'm going to get the bottom. Baby bottles?
Bottles.
Okay, so I have a cup of water here, so I'm going to just put that in there and let it rinse out. Close it up. I'm going to let this dry for 4 hours and then apply another coat. I might need 3 or 4. I guess we'll see. And I'll see you guys back for prep. Alright guys, I'm back with another layer. Can't get this lid off. Whew, there we go.
Right there.
Another layer of our pure white.
Alright, cool. And way up there, all the way up at the top. Probably a couple thousand feet above me still, and a mile and a half, 2 miles away. I try to go straight at them, they'll see me for sure. If they get any inkling that I'm there, they're going to just be gone. They're going to disappear. Probably make more sense for wind and everything is if I circle around the backside of this ridge and come up from behind on the north face. I think I can get a shot at them. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty long walk, and there's only so much daylight, so it's a little bit of a risk.
Sheep tend to stay in the same general area while grazing, so Morgan has a chance to catch up, but he'll have to climb 2,000 vertical feet in a race to stay on their trail.
Looks like the weather's going to hold. Nothing's blowing in yet. So I think I'm going to try to make a move. I'm going to have to move really fast so I can get up there while there's still light to shoot. This looks like a fine place to stash the sled. Be able to find these rocks again. I got a lot of ground to cover to get up there and get on the sheep before dark. It's on. There's really no going back. I gotta make it work or I'm gonna be busted.
What if instead of produce going bad, it went good, lasting longer, so precious resources don't go to waste? Now that's an idea.
Okay guys, that's it. That's how I prep my cups.